Trader, here we are, day 5. Day 7 can happen clearly as I will show the top. The 150-day moving average is right there, trader, 225. This is one of our favorite ETFs. It tracks the semiconductor stocks, every one of them. It's good to trade. Listen, when we called the top up here at resistance, we came straight down and it was time to go long. We can go up 7 days. We're not done. If this breaks above that moving average, that's our next resistance level right below 235, let's say. Okay, if we go back to the chart over here where the big downtrend happened, I'm going to draw another alert so that you can see that trend line that is right here. It goes right there, slightly above it. So let's go ahead and put it right there. It's slightly above it. That is where the big failure had happened, as we can see that. Trader, let's be smart. Let's start that free 5-day trial. Let's go through the fall. Let's go through the October earnings. We brought it to you. Remember, you can believe what you see, not what you hear. That's why that live trading room is worth more than gold, because your pocketbook will turn into a gold bar. That it will. All right, so this rally's day 5, and we can go 7 days. We know that, but we have short-term resistance even right here. I'll draw a trend line because I want you to see it. Right at the top of that bar. This is the big downside bar that happened right there. Okay, and we can clearly see I activated that alert. We have that alert. Here, let's get this out of the way. I'm sorry. Bear with me. My mouse. So once again, here is the breakdown channel of the doji top reversal with the retest. It's a make or break for it in that sector. All eyes on it. It's a leading factor. It's cyclical. I can tell you they've rallied strong. They can go a couple of more days, but beware. I warned you.